Chop and just ate my lemon. Okay. Today we'll be making mint lemon water. It's an energy kind of drink. There's no caffeine or anything. Here it is. So here you can see strawberry. This is supposed to be like a plant. It's mint. And we have floating lemon in here, which is supposed to be balanced on lemon top. So you can see the lemon that is holding up on this cut of lemon here. And then that's supposed to be like an island kind of. And then all courteously of Jonathan, he poured extra brown sugar at the bottom. So
boy, it's gonna spread through it.
Otherwise, and we added strawberry for aesthetic. But we will eat that. Now I will be taste testing. Would you like to taste test? Up to you. In fact, if you would like to taste test, is this good?
I'm fine.
You don't? Okay. So, strawberry, obviously we need that first. What? No, you don't get it. You messed up the brown sugar part. Sorry for your loss. I was about to say sorry for your loss of the brown strawberry. We should make a strawberry shake.
We will. After this video. With chocolate.
Chocolate strawberry. I'd be light on chocolate though.
Yeah.
Vanilla. Anyways.
My chocolate and strawberry goes better than vanilla.
And we have mint and extra brown sugar at the bottom.
And then you got I'm walking over the food.
And we also added some orange blossom water. Because why not? It's supposed to be like energy kind of drink. So that tastes good. Tastes great. The orange blossom water is like the main flavor. It has some mint taste, which just adds on to the orange blossom. And the brown sugar, you can't really taste it, but there's a slight sweetness, even though there's so much, because we didn't stir it. And the mint,
like a plant that's growing, like
yeah,
a lemon
it does.
plant.
The mint is coated with lemon. It makes it taste better. You want a lemon mint leaf? You're gonna make it drip. We put some lemon peel. We put some lemon peel at the bottom. Tastes great. What we did is the lemon is supposed to be like this. That's the top. We cut it off, as you can see. And this is like a float, an island kind of. So, you can taste the brown sugar. This is like the lemon piece. It's like all of this combined. This is not a trash cup.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. The mint leaves have been freezing in water.
I'm gonna drop off some strawberries. And I'm gonna put sugar. No,
Can I do a shake? So I'm gonna use a blender.
Oh yeah, you're right. I was thinking I have to chop them up, and I was like, okay, let's go.
Overall, it's an excellent drink. Actually, yesterday I just put lemon and mint in my water bottle. And lemon and mint by itself is great. Adding some extra sugar and some rose water, and the strawberry. Well, I ate that separately. Makes it taste great. So, yeah, it's a pretty nice drink. Basically, it energizes you to a point that you're not exactly hyped. You could, like calm. Calm energy drink. Jonathan's like, boy. Oh well. That's all for this episode. Jonathan, get over here. Yep. Now I have to click the end video button.